Hello, my little and big friends again. Today, we're gonna make some homemade Play-Doh. Play-Doh that you can mix up, put in a plastic bag, and have it for a couple weeks. So let me show you how we're gonna do this. All right, these are the things you're gonna need. Flour, salt, oil, cream of tartar if you have it. If you don't, it's okay. Water, and food coloring. So we're going to start, this is our recipe, and we're going to start with 1 cup of flour. So we're going to get the flour and dump it in the bowl. Okay, then we need a 1/2 cup of water. So I'm going to take my 1/2 cup measure and I'm going to get the water. Before I put the water in though, I'm going to add the food coloring. It just makes it easier if you mix it in the water first. Okay, and then we'll stir that up. Okay, and that's ready to go. And then we need 1/3 cup of salt. Here's my 1/3 cup measure. I'm going to fill this up. Oh. And then I'm going to dump that in my bowl. Okay, and I forgot to get a spoon. So we're gonna go over here and we're gonna get a big spoon. Okay, we're gonna mix that up. So the salt and the flour are mixed together. And then we're going to add our cream of tartar, and we need a teaspoon of cream of tartar. And again, these are pretty exact measurements, but you might need a little more water or a little more flour depending on what happens when you mix everything up. Notice I'm a little messy, but that's okay. And pour that in. Okay, we're going to mix that all in. And then we're going to add our water with purple food coloring that I chose because purple is my favorite color. And then you're going to keep mixing this up until it starts to get thick. And once it gets pretty thick, then you're going to use your hands. So now I'm going to put my hands in and squish it really well. And mix it all together until I have a nice, smooth Play-Doh. And as I start to feel that, I start to see, it's getting dry enough, and I might not need the rest of that flour. So just feel it, feel how it feels to you. And then you can set it on the counter and knead it a little bit more until it's a really nice consistency. And then you can put it in a plastic bag for later, or you can start squishing it and playing with it right away. Lots of things you can do with Play-Doh. You can cut out letters, you can cut out shapes, You can use your cookie cutters. So there's a lot of things you can do with this Play-Doh once it's all done. So try this at home. I will send you a picture of the recipe so you'll have it. But there you go, and it only took a couple minutes.